Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how to see the Amazon profit calculator, or where we can see the Amazon profit calculator on Tool4seller app. So for viewing that we just need to open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app we just need to go to the function section. We can see in the bottom, we can see in the right side of the alert section, we can just see the functions right there. Just tap on the functions here, and here we just need to scroll down. So in here we just see in the additional tools section, we can just see the Amazon profit calculator right there. Just tap on the Amazon profit calculator, and this is where we can see the Amazon profit calculator on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.